In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on your TikTok account. So let's go ahead and go find TikTok. And you want to go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. That way you're just at your profile. So next to your name, you want to go ahead and hit the edit button here. And as you see, you have some information here, your name and your username. So let's go ahead and click on the username. And as it says, shows you here, it kind of gives you like a link to your profile because of your username. So let's go ahead and let's kind of mess around here and start deleting some digits here. And as you're changing your username, your actual app is going to show you if the username is available or if it's not available, because it won't let you save it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit, I don't know, Crypto90. And let's see if that name is available. It is not available. It does give you some suggested names here right below. Let's see if I can just put in the same username here. And as you see, it just gives you that check mark. That way you can actually physically save it to your TikTok account. So once you're done here, go ahead and hit the save option at the top right-hand corner. And then it will update your username. You can only change it once every 30 days, so just keep that in mind the next time you change it. Go ahead and hit confirm. And then that's it. It's super simple and super easy for your username to update on your TikTok.